Tap the painting with the number 1.
Oh yeah!
Tap the t-shirt.
Hey there.
Cool!
Subscribe to my channel. And also
Tap
press
the
this bell
door
icon.
with
Great!
tap the paint.
Excellent!
Tap the door.
Awesome!
Tap the t-shirt with the number.
Amazing!
Tap the
Great!
tap the door.
Hooray!
Tap the t-shirt with
Yoo!
tap the door with
Awesome!
tap the t
Oh yeah!
tap the painting.
Perfect!
Tap the
Yoo!
tap the t-shirt.
Hooray!
Tap the door.
Awesome! Hey, Nikki! It's time for fun! Yoo-hoo! Awesome!
Tap the painting with the number.
Oh yeah!
Tap the door.
Excellent!
Tap the t-shirt with the number.
Great!
Tap the t-shirt.
Perfect!
Tap the door.
Awesome!
The painting with the number.
Hooray!
Tap the painting with
Cool!
tap the t-shirt with the
Amazing!
tap the door with the number 3.
Yoo!
Tap the t-shirt with the number 3.
Awesome!
Painting with the number 3.
Yes!
Tap the door with the number 5.
Yoo-hoo!
Tap the t-shirt with the number 2.
Wow!
Tap the door with the number 3.
Let's go!
Tap the painting with the number 3.
Awesome!
More.
Hey, Nikki! It's time for fun! Yoo-hoo! Awesome!
Tap the balloons with the number 5.
Wow!
the balloons with the number 1.
Cool!
Tap the racing cars with the number 3.
Oh yeah!
Tap the ducks with the number 5.
Excellent!
Tap the racing cars with the number 5.
Let's go!
Tap the balloons with the number 5.
Oh yeah!
Tap the balloons with the number 3.
Let's go!
Tap the ducks with the number 3.
Yes!
Tap the balloons with the number 1.
Awesome!
Balloons with the number 2.
Oh no!
Tap the racing cars with the number 5.
Amazing!
Tap the balloons with the number 2.
Cool!
Tap the ducks with the number 5.
Hooray!
Tap the racing cars with the number 5.
Cool!
Tap the balloons with the number 2.
Awesome!
Tap the balloons with the number 5.
Yoo-hoo!
Tap the ducks with the number 1. balloons with the number 1.
Yoo-hoo!
Tap the racing cars with the number 1.
Great!
Tap the balloons with the number 3.